This is a Layher pressure switch that is on a lot of the Jensen oil filter systems. Sometimes, due to either cold oil or could be plugged inserts, but this switch can offer trouble where if the setting is too low, and it can be adjusted with a 2.5mm hex wrench. Simply insert it into here and try making an adjustment a quarter turn at a time. What it will do is raise the pressure that the switch responds at, as it can be wired as normally open or normally closed, depending on the configuration. Usually they're set fairly close to the pump cracking pressure on the relief. To verify the setting that you've made on your pump, assuming that this is part of a system that is working, you would close the outlet of the filter and therefore watch the gauge as it climbs on the housing. The point upon which the system trips due to this switch is what you've got it set at. So if you find you need to have it a little bit higher, give it another quarter turn and then retest to verify its setting.
We're making a lot of new content to help you reduce costs and make better maintenance decisions. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss our latest videos. And remember, don't drain it, maintain it.